guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you guys how to air fry turkey wings. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I air fry my turkey wings. By Thanksgiving, you know, coming up, and some people don't like to cook like the whole turkey, you know, the big shebang or whatever. So this is great, you know, for smaller families, or if it's just you or you and your spouse or you and your kids or whoever. Like, this is perfect. That way you can cook just what you need, and you know you don't have all of the waste, but yet and still you got your turkey. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. You want to start off by seasoning your wings. I have 4 whole wings here, so I'm using poultry season. So I'll put a little poultry season on my turkey. Okay, give that a good toss. I'm using a little thyme. Try to get it to focus for you guys. There you go. Whoa. That's enough of that. Garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, black pepper, and a dash of salt. You want to give them a good toss. So something I like to add to my turkey before I air fry them is a little liquid smoke. Not a whole lot, like a couple of drops. And I like to add just a tab of baking powder. Now, give them a little toss, and we are going to be air fried ready, honey. Now, I have sprayed my basket, and I'm going to place my turkey wings in here, which I only have 4. I doubt I'll be able to get all 4 in there, at least 3. I'll tell you what, we'll do 2 at a time. That way it won't be crowded and I can flip them. So place the lid on it. You want to turn your air fryer on, and I'm gonna hit my air crisp button, and I want the temperature on 375, and I want the cook time to be 20 minutes, flipping at the 10-minute mark. So I'm gonna hit start. So we at the halfway mark. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna baste my turkey wings with butter. And this just helps them so that it won't be dry. And you're gonna take these and we're gonna turn them over. They are looking and smelling good. I probably could have got all 4 in here, but nevertheless, it's okay. So we're gonna close it down and we're gonna cook it for the remaining 10 minutes. Our wings have cooked for the additional 10 minutes. Just take them out. Look at that. Goodness. So I'm just gonna check the temperature, put in the meaty part of it. And it is reading 202. Let's check one more section. I'm trying not to get burned. Let me get some tongs. Okay, let's check it right here. It's reading 203. So our turkey wings are well done. So I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna resume the same process with the other 2. Wings has finished. We'll just check the temperature on these. At least this one, because he's pretty big. We at 197. So that's a good temperature. It's good. It's done. Check it in one more spot right here. 204. So they are definitely done. Well done. So we're just gonna take them out. And he was a small one, so I know he's done. Our air fried turkey wings are done and ready to be eaten. They look absolutely amazing. At this point, you can add gravy to it if you like, or you can eat as is. So if you're new to my channel, go hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new, thanks for stopping by. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.